DOM manipulation. DOM or Document Object Model Manipulation is a crucial aspect of JavaScript when working with web pages. The DOM represents the structure of an HTML document as a tree-like structure of nodes, where each node corresponds to an element, attribute, or text in the document. JavaScript allows you to interact with and modify the DOM dynamically, enabling you to create interactive and dynamic web pages. Accessing DOM elements. You can access DOM elements using various methods provided by JavaScript. getElementById gets an element by its unique ID attribute. getElementsByClassName gets a collection of elements with a specific class name. getElementsByTagName gets a collection of elements with a specific tag name. querySelector gets the first element that matches a CSS selector. querySelector all gets all elements that match a CSS selector. Modifying DOM elements. After accessing DOM elements, you can modify their content, attributes, and styles. Inner and text content, change the content of an element. Set attributes of an element. Class list, manipulate CSS classes of an element. Event handling. JavaScript allows you to add event listeners to DOM elements to respond to user interactions. Creating and modifying elements. JavaScript allows you to create new DOM elements and append them to the document.